Alright, who is it? Oh, Doc Dillinger. Alright. Part 9, here we go. Woo! Good luck, everybody. Except for part 9. First part 9 of the day. Everybody's using a machete today. Interesting. I mean, the machete is the most popular weapon. I, of course, went with the
I have to do something.
pig splitter.
I have to escape.
Really? Just a fucking pan? I am White Devil Tiffany, aka Whore Tiffany. She doesn't mind being called that because she's a third-wave feminist. And she uses her sexuality to her benefit. So screw you guys. How about that? Boom. She's also dumb as a box of rocks, unfortunately. But she's got decent stealth, which doesn't make sense. Well, it kind of does. Hey, what up, everybody? Listen, the phone house is up on the north side of the map. Just FYI. I'm gonna go try. I think I know where it might be. I'm gonna go look for it. Yeah, Cash said he played with him before, I think. So he might be a decent player if he's... Let me see, the fuse might be over here at this house. If it is, I'll try to... Well, I'm Tiffany, so I'll get killed trying to fix the phone. Tiffany is... I was just... Man, she is so dumb. Right? She is not the one to be fixing stuff. We actually got out on the boat last night. 2 Tiffany's fixed the boat, and somehow we got out. I was like, that's crazy. Yeah, no parts over here. Let me see if the... it's got to be in one of these drawers. It is... Oh, shit. Alright, guys. I'm going to go give it the old college try. And by college try, since I'm Tiffany, it means I'm going to try to... Never mind. It's a kid's show. But we all knew girls like Tiffany in college, and I mean we all knew girls like Tiffany in college. Yes, we did. Even if you didn't go to college, you still know those girls. Alright, guys, I'm giving it the try over here. Listen, if y'all see the fuse pop up on the phone, that's where the thing is, okay? Shit, I messed up on the last one. He might be coming to me, guys. I'll do my best. Ooh, I see it. Let's go. Let's go. Do it, Tiffany.
Oh, thank God. Please.
Hell yeah,
send
Tiffany's
help.
a snitch,
Camp
motherfucker.
Crystal Lake. It's Jason. Jason's here.
Jason's here.
Back.
I got it, guys. Yay, Tiffany. Yeah, we're talking all that shit about Tiffany, calling her a hoe and whatnot. Now look at y'all. I was talking about how she was the secret smart girl. Oh shit, she does need a map though. Oh my lord. All right, Tiffany, find that map, girl. One more game after this, guys, unless I am Jason, and then we'll call it a day. I am tired than a bitch. Ooh, first aid. That'll help. I haven't heard her all match. Then again, I don't hear random Oh, milk and cookies? Yeah, she plays at least once a week with us usually. She's a good player. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit, he's on me, guys. He's on me. I'll do my best. Tiffany is in trouble. Oh, yeah, nice to meet you. Send me a friend request after this, and I'll message you the next time we're gonna get on. I usually host twice a week. Try to. Yeah, that's fine. Jason is right over here by me, guys. I'm not sure where I am because I do not have a map. Oh yeah. Just this game. I tried. Oh yeah. I mean, I'm definitely gonna be playing what's it called? Killer Clowns for sure. I was playing Evil Dead for a while, but that game kind of fizzled, and then I know Captain still plays it. He said they play it, but I tried to play it the other day, and I was waiting for like 7 minutes, and then I was like, "Nah, I'm good." Like, it's a fun game, but I don't have to sit there and wait 7 minutes for it. All right, guys, he's on me at the main road-ish flat rock. He's probably gonna scoop me. He's got that hella. He's got a hella good shift. He's still on me, guys. He's still on me. I'm over here by the keys. She got a mic. Haha. Hey, guys, listen. I am gonna need help because I don't have a map. So when the cops get here, if y'all just let me know if I'm still alive. Ooh, he did kill 2 more people. He is no slouch, it seems. Oh wow, I just found the boat motor without even looking for it. That's weird. Oh yeah, no worries. I'll just watch where everybody's running. Oh, I'm way over here by the main road though. I don't know what this Chad was doing. He's standing in his house with the doors wide open, bro. Like, what? I don't know what this Chad's doing. He's not moving. He might be... Chad, are you alright? Are you glitching out? What's... I think this Chad is AFK. Oh, no, there he goes. He's running now. As soon as Jason came in this piece. Jason's on me, guys. Jason's on me. Oh, damn it! I was gonna be sneaky, but you got me. Oh, no! 30 seconds left! I'm the one that called the cops. I want you to know it was me, Jason. I'm dead. I was very melodramatic in my dyings. I was gonna go hide in that good spot and probably cheese him a little bit. All good. We're gonna get some people out. Huh. Alright guys, we're almost done for today. Nice, good job, good job. Got one out already. Thank you, Tiffany, everybody. Nah, just kidding. Ah, they're gonna make it. I think he still has, Tommy still has his knife. So let's see, we got what, 1 out so far? Okay, we got at least 2 out. I'm surprised I got that call off. I messed up on the last skill check. Watch out, Jason 9 has stun resistance. He might walk right through that flare gun. Ooh, no. I guess you made me look like an asshole. Oh, never mind. He knocked the mask off with it, so he's gonna get stunned regardless. Ooh! What? Did y'all just see that? That, he grabbed right through him. Yeah, I used to play that until they did the Danny update because I'm a killer main, and then I just never came back to it. I think I'm gonna give it another try eventually, but I'm gonna just play this until Killer Clowns comes out. I think that Chad might be cheating, guys, because I just watched Jason grab him and his hand went right through him and nothing happened. Let's see what happens here. Ooh, yeah, I would definitely be slashing. I wouldn't try to grab him again. That's why he was just standing there whenever I was wondering what he was doing, because you don't have to worry if you can phase through Jason. Oh, there you go. You got him. Oh, got a knife.
No!
Alright, GG's, y'all. GG's. I got one more game. One more game. Unless I'm Jason, then 2 more games. GG's. Nice work, guys. Nice work. Not bad. 5 of 8. Cannot believe I fixed the phone with Tiffany. And then you killed me. You dirty birdie. Nice work. Alright, guys. One more game, unless I'm Jason. I gotta take a nap.